Wonderful. Okay, welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us here today. I'm joined today, as you know, I'm Andrea Ganja, the MPP for Barrie Innisfil. I'm joined today by Andrew Chen from Lang Lee Villa, non-for-profit living, and of course and Wilson, who's with us here today as well, and Mayor Lynn Dolan. And I want to thank you for joining us. It's a great day to be here with news for our community. And you might all be wondering, why are we here today? And we're here to really build our community. We're here to build our country. We're here for those who created the freedoms we all share today. We're here for those who created the innovations we enjoy, for those who've paved the path that we take for granted. And they deserve the respect to retire in dignity. Who are they? They are our seniors. We have a moral obligation as a society to show our seniors, our hardworking seniors, the dignity and respect they deserve. These are the convictions that I was raised with, as I was raised by my beloved grandfather and grandmother. I was elected because I want to do something, and many things, to help our community become an even better place. And today, I am pleased to stand along with Andrew Chen and Mayor Dolan to announce that Lang Yi has been granted a license by the Ontario government to build 256 new non-for-profit long-term care beds. This is part of our government's $6.4 billion commitment to build more than 30,000 net new beds by 2028 and 228,000 upgraded long-term care beds across the province. This will build on local achievements that our government has announced previously. For example, at non-for-profit IOF Seniors Home, where we're building 64 new beds and upgrading 66 new spaces, as well as many other beds across the province and across Simcoe County. To name a few, we've got 51 new and 109 upgraded beds at the Villa Care Center, 68 new and 60 upgraded beds at Sarah Vista, 128 new beds at Victoria Village Manor, and I could go on. But Simcoe County is definitely in great, we're in good care, and we're thinking towards the future. And I'm really thrilled to be partnering with Lang Lee today, because it's not just about the quantity of beds, it's about the quality and the quality of care. We have a very diverse country, and of course, we need to respect those different cultures, and their retirement should reflect that. And of course, when I read and met with Andrew Chen, I was thrilled that they take that into consideration. For example, if you look in the Toronto greater area, you have places like Baycrest, where they cater to people who, many of Holocaust survivors who are in retirement homes or long-term care beds, they need kosher foods. Our population is very diverse, they may need halal foods. And of course, this is something that will be taken into consideration. The beds that we're announcing today across Simcoe County, and of course today in Innisfil, are going to help us reduce the wait times for seniors and of course improve the quality of care and life for seniors. And this goes to say that everything our government does, every program, every policy, every service change, we put people first. Protecting our loved ones and ensuring they receive the care they deserve is the center of everything we do. And with today's announcement, the government's taking another step towards creating a 21st century long-term care sector that provides the highest quality of care for our most vulnerable people when they need it most. Today's announcement is going to be building our commitment to accomplish great things for our community, be it more care, for example, to ensure that there's an average of 4 hours of direct care per day for loved ones in long-term care homes, which of course Ontario is the first province in Canada to take that important step. And of course, the challenges to fix our long-term care system are complex and will of course require partnerships with labor, homes, training providers. It will require recruitment, training of tens and thousands of new staffs over the next 4 years. And of course, we're encouraged to be doing that, both by increasing the number of personal support workers we have and nurses in the province. Just know that your government stands committed to building a strong and united Ontario. In good and bad times, we will lead our nation into prosperity and respect for our elders. But we can't do it alone. We have to do it as a community. So I'm really thrilled that we have Mayor Dolan here and Andrew Chen with the great community model they have to build the next wave of long-term care homes here in Innisfil. So without further ado, I do want to introduce Mayor Dolan for some comments. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andrea, and thank you for inviting me today. I commend the province of Ontario for taking leadership in increasing the amount of long-term beds all across Ontario. we all watched over the last 2 years with heartbreak at some of the situations in long-term care, and those that we should be taking the best care of were the ones that were suffering the most through COVID. Healthcare services, it shone a gap in healthcare services all over Innisfil. Just before COVID, Innisfil was looking for more healthcare services here, and we took the initiative and built this beautiful building at the time. You can tell by the bustle of people going behind you that it is a busy place, and we're very happy to attract people like Georgian Radiology and Life Labs. The first time anyone from Innisfil was able to get any kind of health care close to home. So with that, we're looking forward to hearing more about the long-term care plans that Langi have for Innisfil, and we appreciate you being here today and sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thank you, MPP Kanjan. Thank you, Mayor Dolan. Good afternoon, distinguished guests. Thank you for joining us today to share this announcement with the province. My name is Andrew Chan, a founding director of Langi Villa Nonprofit Living. On behalf of Langi, we are delighted and thankful to be awarded 256 long-term care beds in Innisfil by the province. This allocation will further Langi's nonprofit commitment, to providing a wide range of much-needed facilities, housing, health, and care services to support our seniors throughout various communities in Ontario. Langi currently has projects in various stages in the GTA and beyond, including ongoing projects in Markham, Whitchurch, Stouffville, and Bracebridge, and now Innisfil. Langi embraces diversity and values cultural differences. Langi's members and our partners have been recognized for being leaders in cultural care and for excellence in seniors care. Our committee members have a proven track record for bringing long-term care beds online under unprecedented timing and have considerable experience in large project development and construction. This allocation of long-term care beds in Innisfil will be the cornerstone for our collaborative vision to bring a seniors care campus to the heart of Innisfil, and will be complementary to the range of health services being provided by the nearby future health hub established by the province, Simcoe County, and Innisfil. Furthermore, it will assist Innisfil in building complete communities where it is inclusive of every person, regardless of age, income, lifestyle, and stage of life. The Seniors Campus of Care model is a proven success. A long-term care facility integrated with other senior housing options and facilities can offer a wider spectrum of healthcare and services in an efficient manner and accommodate a range of living options to our seniors. Furthermore, it will assist with reducing hallway healthcare by supporting seniors at their various stages. The Seniors Campus of Care model also offers the opportunity to further promote prevention initiatives to reduce and manage health-related demands of our seniors in the surrounding community, and it contributes positively to the overall provincial healthcare system. Our proposed long-term care buildings will provide safe, comfortable, and modern accommodations for our senior residents. There will be strong infection prevention control philosophy incorporated into the built environment, and with our partners, we will implement more innovative approaches to senior care, including the goal to improve transparency and accountability. We want to sincerely give thanks and our appreciation to the province, the Ministry of Long-Term Care, Minister Calandra for awarding us the allocation for Innisfil. We want to thank MPP Kanjan and Mayor Dolan for sharing this announcement with us and for supporting us with this opportunity. Langi hopes to continue to receive further stakeholder and community support. We are fully committed to working closely with the province, Simcoe County, Innisfil, and the Ministry of Long-Term Care to get these much-needed beds online immediately. Again, thank you for everyone for your support and for joining us today.
Well, thank you. I'm very excited to get things started, and this is the beginning of many great more services to Innisfil. I want to especially thank the Rosado Center today for allowing us to do the announcement here. So any questions from media?
So the site we have acquired is at 1702 Innisfil Beach Road. Obviously, there's a planning process to it. There's going to be a lot of detailed planning, design work that we'll have to go through first. So at this point in time, we will work through all that, and then when we have a better idea, we will definitely give another public announcement in terms of what our expectations are. That is our plan. Our plan is for seniors campus of care. So it would include various housing options to complement and facilitate as part of the long-term care facility. What it would do is allow seniors to kind of move through the stages of their life needs and their changing needs. So this way, it accommodates a wider spectrum of seniors at different needs of care. So Innisfil, it's been projected with significant population growth till 2051. When we originally did our due diligence and we looked at different towns, different municipalities, as we broaden our reach across Ontario, we felt very strongly that Innisfil was a very forward-thinking town. And what they've already achieved to us was very attractive. The complementary RVH Health Hub as well plays into all of it. So that's why Innisfil was one of the first sites, aside from Bracebridge, that we kind of targeted, just given the population being in Simcoe County, being close to Barrie, but still allow us to give it a design and a feel that would be different than a big city urban development.
If I could just add, it's just from a provincial perspective, is that the first step is, of course, obtaining a license. Nothing can be done without that license. So today's, of course, announcement is solely on supplying that license so that we can move forward with additional planning. But of course, nothing can be done without that. So that was what Andrew Chan and his whole group were waiting for. So it is exciting that they're able to do the rest of what they need to do thanks to the license that's been granted today.